House lighting plays a critical role in shaping a room's atmosphere, welcoming guests as they enter, supporting visibility throughout the space, and helping create the right environment before, during, and after a performance or service. The FUZE pendant was designed to make all of this effortless. At its core is a 230-watt red, green, blue, white, lime LED engine, capable of producing up to 11,000 lumens of high-quality light. It delivers a wide tunable white range from 2,400 to 8,500 Kelvin, allowing designers to move from warm, welcoming tones to bright daylight energy depending on the moment. Plus, full-spectrum color mixing for creative options for holidays, special events, or architectural accents when needed. With its refined optical design and a range of interchangeable lenses from 25 to 100 degrees, the FUZE pendant creates smooth, even illumination across seating areas. And with a fanless, convection-cooled design, it also minimizes audio distractions for silent operation. The FUZE pendant offers multiple installation options. Whether suspended as a pendant, mounted on a yoke, or integrated into the ceiling, the fixture becomes a natural extension of the room. This allows it to adapt to a wide range of spaces, including auditoriums, theaters, and houses of worship. With refined optics, high-quality tunable white, full-spectrum color, and architectural versatility, the FUZE pendant is built to support the audience experience.